Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can sign up to your TikTok account. For that you have to watch the full video. So let's get started. So first you have to go to the TikTok and then go to the profile and then you have to click on sign up. And here you can see you can use your phone, email, Facebook, like Google, anything you want. So I'm using my email. Uh, so you have to give your birth date. Next, you can give your email here. Yeah. Mm. So now verification complete. Now you have to give your password. So after giving the password, when you just click on login, then it will automatically log you in. So that's it guys. That's how you can sign up your account, and that's it for today. And thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.